I'm in the schedule channel right now. This is a platform, an investment platform that pays you commission every single day when you purchase any of the investment plan. But first of all, I'm going to place a live withdrawal to show you guys. So I want to click on me right here. As you can see, I have a 1,000 naira balance here. I'm going to click on withdraw. Then I'm going to click on the amount I want to withdraw. Under here, I'll click on the amount I want to withdraw. And I'm going to type in 1,000 naira, 1,000, and then I'm going to click on withdraw. I've already, I need to bind. You see that they reminded me to bind my bank account info. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my bank account info here. And I'm going to select the bank I'm going to be withdrawing to. So for this case, I'm going to select my PalmPay here, over here. Then I'm going to select write down the account number here is 039448648. So this is my account number. I'm going to click on submit. Okay. 3944. Okay, that's correct. Then I'm going to go over here to amount again. I'm going to type in the amount I want to withdraw, 1,000. Then I'm going to click on withdraw. Now, as you can see, loading a withdrawal have been placed, and I will receive it shortly. As you can see right now, it's under processing. Then after some time, I'm going to try to refresh this particular platform to see whether it's already gone. So I'm going to click on refresh. Okay, it's still processing. I'm going to pause this video, and once this is a success, I'm going to continue. All right. And boom, guys, as you can see, the withdrawal is a success. Okay, so if I come over here to my PalmPay, over here, I'm going to click on my PalmPay. You can see right here on my PalmPay, I just received 1,000 naira from Paystack. This is check the time and the date. So this platform is actually paying out massively. So all you need to do is, I'm going to leave the link to this platform to the video description below. All you need to do is just to click the link, and it will take this place. And then first of all, you need to purchase any of their investment plan. And then once you purchase that, for instance, the investment plan of 2,000 pays you 520 every day. The one of 4,000 pays you 1,018 naira every day. The one of 8,000 pays you 2,240 every day, and so on. And when you register, they're going to give you a bonus of 300 naira to continue. So if you want to buy any of their products, what you do, just click on the product you want to buy, and you have to see payment gate 1. Click on buy, and it will take you to the page where you're going to make your payment. And after payment is made, it will all reflect to your account. So this is it. So all you need to do is copy the account number, and then copy this particular note here and paste it in your reason for payment in your bank account. Most times OPay does not allow payment to any investment plan, so I suggest you use PalmPay or your direct bank account. All right, so then once you make payments, click on I have purchased, I have made this bank transfer, and then go back, and your order will be bought immediately. And after 24 hours, they're going to credit you for buying that product, and the amount will credit you depends on the amount of product that you buy. Okay, jump right there now while this platform is still paying. As at the time I'm making this video, this platform is still paying massively. Mind you, I'm not a financial advisor, just a little tip to make some money, some side hustle online. All right.